Copyright enforcement platforms versus entertainment law firms. Which one is better for digital rights management? Most creators get this wrong. They think simply registering copyrights is enough to protect digital content. The surprising truth is that unauthorized use online can spread rapidly, and managing enforcement requires both legal strategy and technology. Entertainment law firms specialize in intellectual property, licensing, and litigation. They draft contracts, negotiate licenses, and take legal action against infringement. For example, if a music label discovers a popular song uploaded illegally, a law firm can send cease and desist notices, pursue duplicate takedowns, or file lawsuits against infringers. Their expertise ensures rights are defended effectively and revenue streams protected. Copyright enforcement platforms, on the other hand, use technology to monitor, detect, and manage unauthorized content online. These platforms scan websites, social media, and streaming services, automatically flagging potential infringements and issuing takedown requests. For instance, a video platform can detect unauthorized uploads of a film trailer and remove it within hours, reducing revenue loss and brand damage. The key difference is proactive monitoring versus legal enforcement. Platforms provide scalable, automated protection across multiple channels, while law firms provide the authority and strategy to enforce rights when issues escalate. Most successful digital rights management strategies combine both. Technology handles ongoing detection, and legal teams step in for complex or high-value enforcement cases. The takeaway is simple: without both, creators risk losing control of their content. The surprising truth is that most online copyright losses occur because enforcement was delayed or incomplete, not because the content wasn't legally protected. For anyone serious about digital rights, combining copyright enforcement platforms with entertainment law firms ensures vast detection, strong legal defense, and maximized revenue protection. This integrated approach is essential in today's fast-moving digital landscape.